Hi everyone. Welcome back to Jenny Kitchen. Today, I am going to be showing you how to make healthy and delicious noodle soup, or Cambodian noodle soup, Kathiu or Khoi Tia. This noodle is so popular in Southeast Asia. It's very delicious. You can serve it as breakfast, dinner or lunch. So now, let's get started. This is for the main ingredient to make Cambodian noodle soup. Ground pork, chopped garlic, cilantro stem, celery and green onion, meatball, beef flavor broth mix, cilantro leaf, chopped green onion, bean sprout and lettuce, Chinese donut or breadstick. To make the broth, turn on high heat and bring it to boil. After it boiling, turn the heat to medium and let it simmer for about 30 to 45 minutes. Now time to fry garlic. Nice and golden. Drain. After 45 minutes, add more water. Turn the heat to medium. Cover the lid and bring it to boil. Clean the foam on top. Now cook the ground pork. When it's like this, don't remove it yet. Wait until the soup is boiling for a few minutes. Then remove from the pot and set aside. And repeat the same process. Add meatball. Chicken bouillon, sugar, soy sauce, stir to mix everything together. Fried garlic, bring it to boil. Clean the foam on top. Now it's boiling. Time to put the cilantro stems. Give it a good stir. And done. So this is how we prepare noodle, or khoi tia. Here you go, guys. Please enjoy. And I hope you enjoy the video for today. If you like my video, please give me a thumbs up, or click like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. See you in the next video.